Basement.
Nasi bebek. Chicken, baby. Let's see there. The other side. Chicken eh. I'm just can you like hold that? I think there's no rice. Ay, ito. Yung mga ganyan lang. Buying some snacks. We're buying some snacks kasi 40 minutes yung travel.
Sorry? Anything else?
That's all. There's drinks also, but wag na. Later na. May ice smoothie nga sila. So, I got some snacks here, guys. Tapos yung service naman is around 14 minutes daw yung travel. So, yeah.
Oh, you want food?
Yeah, one more. Okay, terima kasih. Yes, Tanah Abang.
Tanah Abang. Okay, we go?
Yes, thank you. Okay. For my YouTube. Maybe I will get famous. And I will come back. We'll go around the house. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. So we're here checking in. So nice, so big. Wow! Taray! Oh my God!
Grabe. I need to tap that hand siguro.
Eight to 1. Wow, it smells so good. Parang powder.
After because I'm hungry.
Oh, kaya ako din sobra.
Oh, everywhere here is a mirror.
Cute. Oh, those two. Oh, tatlo pa.
3 single beds?
Hindi, I mean tatlo yung card.
Ah, okay. Room tour.
Round 2. So wait, I'm gonna go outside again. So this is our hotel's hallway. Ayan. And then, ay, nasara ko. Bay!
Terima kasih.
Oh my god. There. So may mirror na agad here. First mirror. Puro mirror dito. We booked this sa Agoda. Dapat pay at the property, but it got cancelled. Like kanina lang. And hindi napansin ni Beibu.
Kasi
So, yeah.
to prepay.
There daw. But hindi niya napansin. So, what happened? Ano na lang kami sa lobby. Tumuloy pa rin kami kasi dito yung sundo namin pupunta. Anyway, so this is the toilet and shower. Separate sila. And another mirror. Second mirror. And then third mirror. Then you can open this one. O, diba? Papunta sa CR. And closet, wardrobe. Queen ba to? Queen size or double? Yeah, and then I think there's a view. The view is, I don't know, there. Construction. Anyway, so yun nga, binook namin sa Agoda, pero na-cancel, so sa lobby kami nagbayad. And good thing, mas napamura pa kami. Sa Agoda 13, sa lobby kanina 11 lang pag kinonvert mo. 13 million.
3M.
3M
something.
3 million na ano?
Rupee.
Yun. That's it. We're gonna order lang kasi it's already 1:30. We're gonna order food lang sa Grab. And then, see you tomorrow. Bye! Bye! So, we're trying to order ng food through Gojek, hindi sa Grab. Kasi sabi ni Baby mas mura daw here. So, I'm trying to order sa KFC. Yung names here, guys, wala siyang description. So, ang mga names din ng food is parang Indonesian terms. Yun din yung nakalagay here. So, i-search nyo na lang kung ano yun. Pero iba naman English. So, yeah. There's KFC. Nasa ano kami? Fast food na category. Kasi yung iba, mukhang masarap, pero hindi namin maintindihan. Ito, si Mangkatsu, parang nice din. 34. Ayan. Kasi wala pa tong drinks base. So, I think mag-KFC na lang talaga tayo. So, there. Gonna order lang and we'll show you later na order namin.
Past 2 a.m. Baba tayo to get our go food from Gojek. Grabe, so extra talaga yung lift. Look naman, nakita niyo yung light. Okay, so lumabas ako. I think ay na si Kuya Grab. So bukang lalapit na lang ako. Kasi parang whenever need nila to go inside, parang matcha-charge sila eh. Paano ba? Paano ba pupunta dun? Ayun siya, nandun siya sa baba. I think hindi na siya papasok. Okay, so mukhang nandun si Kuya sa kaduluhan. Parang wala ako nakikitang motor. So, ayan ang food. And si Kuya, he walked naman. Thanks Kuya for walking.
Here's what we ordered. KFC. Ang dami. And 700 lang everything in peso, guys. if sa Philippines mo 1,000 plus na to, ganito kadami.
So,
Soup?
this is, I think yung soup.
What's that?
This is chicken.
Chicken strips ata, akin.
Okay, chicken strips.
Fries!
Fried chicken. Ay, pero parang soup.
Fries,
to.
guys. Coleslaw ko ata yan. Sarap!
Sarap. Flavored fries.
Masang barbecue, but I think...
May hint ng Indonesian. Sorry.
Yeah, pero...
Spaghetti.
That's mine.
Complete nakalagay complete. And then, what's this? Rice. I think rice.
Okay,
Yeah.
rice.
Rice. Then,
So yummy. Hinong na yung fries?
yun lang. Yan talaga. Soup.
That's the soup.
mushroom
I think ito
soup.
yung coleslaw ko. Or yung siya pa, noodles!
Noodles kasi may form. Then,
Have to show them.
they give us so much, sambal. Wow!
I can't open it.
Then, grabe, 750 lang to something, diba?
Yeah, everything. In
God,
peso.
complete. Oh, there's rice here. This is a chicken thing, guys.
Yeah, so this is whole chicken. No, that one piece chicken. Tapos may dalawang chicken strips pa. Why? Why?
Okay. And then, oh my God, ito yung wings.
Yeah. We ordered so
yung
many.
It's
Yeah.
sobrang mura, 700 less than 800 pesos.
Totoo ba? 216 eh.
Hindi, sige, check na lang natin sa app. Pag na-convert na. And this is, wings. Wow.
Chicken wings. Ano to? 12? 12 pieces? Or 6?
Oh my God, darami.
Pero it's so big. And then we have, what pa?
A lot of sambal.
Mango float. This is mango float pa. Yan.
Yeah. Coke, mango float, and yung coleslaw.
Yeah. Ayan. So, ito pala yung noodles. Nasi something. I'll just put sa description. Yan. Let's taste.
Good.
That's the I don't know. I can't remember.
Stir-fried noodles lang siya. Wala siyang
Yeah.
sabaw. That's good.
I'll put the name.
A bit, spicy.
Good.
Yeah.
Everything's good, guys. And malaking serving. Hi, guys. So, it's June 20. And it's our second day. Technically, first day in Jakarta. So, where are we going today, Vey?
We're going to Istiklal Mosque.
Kainis. Come with us. Bye! So, since this is a Muslim country, I mean, mostly, Muslim, naka-long sleeves tayo kasi we're going to a mosque. And si Bebo, she's a girl, technically pa din. Kaya, yung hair niya, dapat nakatago also. Okay. So, let's figure this out. Pre-practice ko na to sa house. Dapat yung hair is tago. So, sayang pala yung pinansya ko. Hair is tago, pati yung neck. There, and then we'll just remove this later. When we're there na. Ay, when we're there. After. So, yeah, that's it. Ay, kita pa din. So, dapat walang skin na makikita dito. Di ba, babe?
I think so.
So, I'll just bottom it.
Neck lang, chest yan.
Neck lang.
Of course, neck pwede. Pero yan. At chest yan.
Okay, there. Here.
pwede. Tatawid lang yun kung gusto mo. Pag
I want to know it. Can I just ride?
Yes. Basement, church and
Yeah, church and mosque. Yeah. We can walk?
yes.
It's far or no?
No.
No, I don't think it's far.
2
But
minutes.
It's hot.
2 minutes walking. Thank you. I think the office is here. Diba, babe, sa YouTube? We're na sa Istiklal Mosque.
Hi guys, we're here now. And we're going to the office. Ito siya.
Kasi may tour sila.
Ah, there, baby.
And Hero Tourist Information Center.
We're gonna go there because there's a tour and it's free.
Yeah, you can't roam around ng ikaw lang. Dapat naka-tour kayo. Ito-tour nila kayo free. There. Ah, close?
What is the time? Break? No.
Baka.
Ano ka dun?
Okay, so naka-break. 3. 3 yung scheduled and then next is 4 na.
So we're going to the cathedral na lang and it's just across. So yeah. Wow! Ayun o, tawiran sa harapan.
Good, Garut. Kasi magnet mo kam. Ay, kung Jakarta. Magnet mo kam. Traditional.
We can cross?
Tatanungin ko. Nasi bebek. Soto Betawi. Eh, may Soto Betawi na naman, babe. We have dogs. No, we have dog. Ow, ow. Ow, ow. May sate din siya, oh. Yes. So may parang food court pala dito. Within the compound ng Istiklal.
We're just gonna order snacks, guys. So I'm gonna order this. Parang banana lumpia with chocolate. Hi guys, so while waiting for our schedule sa tour, we ordered parang banana fritters na may chocolate here. Kasi everything is like, instant noodles or rice meal. But we're gonna eat later after nito. So, nag-snack na lang muna kami.
Kasi, 10-year-old tour guide. But at least it's open because she knows, diba?
Sige, be.
Like, kinako para sumingaw agad. Baka ba not allowed to inside it?
Yeah, not allowed talaga. That's why you're gonna eat it na. Okay, tama na. Kawawa naman yung food ko.
And then this one size sa middle, yung di sunog.
Oh, okay. It's okay.
There's banana and
And chocolate! Yeah, that's why I ordered it. Is it good?
Yeah. It's not too sweet. The banana balances everything.
Ano pangalan na to? Whatever. Magkano siya? How much?
25 lang. Sa mga 80? 3 pieces na and a plump some black. And the banana is a bit cold, so ang sarap niya. Oops. Diba?
Is the largest mosque in Southeast Asia and number 3 in the world. After Masjid al-Haram in Mecca, the biggest and the largest in the world. Second one in Medina, still in Saudi Arabia, and Istiqlal is the 3rd in the world, but just in capacity, not in size, because for the size of building, I think there is a bigger than this mosque. This mosque is the 3rd in the world in capacity because this mosque can accommodate for about 200,000 people, but this mosque was full of people just 2 times in a year, just in our big celebration, because so many Muslim people, they want pray together here, and it was full of people from the 1st floor until 5 floors, because this mosque have 5 floors, and we use also the big terrace outside. I will show you later. So. Like an alarm to remind the time for prayer. And I will show you how to play. And actually we hit this by stick, not by hand. This is just sample by my hand. This is called to pray, and we call this azan. 5 times a day for azan, because we have to also 5 times praying a day. But for the drum, we use it not anymore, because we have the speaker now. We change with the speaker, the modern sound inside. And this is originally Indonesian culture, not in Islam, not in religion. So you can find this drum only in Indonesia. You cannot find this thing in the other mosque, in the other Muslim country.
Miss Jenny.
Yes. Makasi. Right, so it's now 5:30 and we're here at Plaza Sinayan. Magdi-dinner kami, pero actually lunch pa lang yun. Wala pa nga rin kaming breakfast. Pero, tara. Babe, no, si Forrest there. Ah, okay.
For our first meal of the day at Rembolon. Here's their menu.
Because what time did we even wake up? 11:30.
Oh, I'm flipping too fast. Ay, lubat ka na. So, yun guys. Super daming menu. Look. So, ganyan kakapal yung menu nila. Parang 1 inch. So, ano to? This is the main course. And this is the dessert and the drinks. And, when you open, like, super daming menu. Super daming pagpipilian. So, yan. There. So, super dami. Parang lahat yummy. This parang I think it's a bestseller. Kung may star. And then, of course, if it's fish. And then, when there's, yeah, pag may ganito, means that it's chili. It's maanghang yan. So, yun. Super daming menu. Parang ang sarap orderin lahat. How did you find this ba?
It's like 3 kilos. Nasi goreng. Nasi goreng. Nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng.
You just saute. But you already have the speed car in red eh.
Na OG.
Yeah, the OG ones.
So ano?
Cute talaga yun. Sa akin yung purple. Para patwitams ka naman minsan.
Krep.
What?
Krep.
Oh.
Gusto ko tanongin ko.
Here at Plaza Sinayan Food Hall. Grocery siya. Supermarket. For pasalubong, of course. And
100,000. Nutella pa nga.
100,000. Para mga 320. Tara. This is a cultural experience.
Yeah. Can I try one?
Okay.
Baby going crazy.
Yeah.
Drinks? Yup, Milo. That's 2 Milos. 2 Miloses. Ay! McFlurry pala I have.
2 McFlurry.
Yeah. Guys, you ordered 1 set meal for 2. And it's only 500 in peso.
Yeah, there's Milo too then. Wow, Milo.
Miloses.
Nice.
Where are you gonna put that?
No, may holder.
Oh, taray, may holder pa.
Keep up!
Keep up! Philippines!
bag! Oh my God! Taste of Japan?
Yeah, ano yan? I don't know. Parang, just open it.
Taste of Japan in Indonesia. And, yeah.
Price. Of course.
Tiding! My God.
Oh my gosh, open this one.
Oh.